Yes, so it has been quite a pleasant trip. I had an informative one as well. And that was the purpose of the trip, to be able to visit one of my partners in the kingdom, to be able to see how the operations of your prison, your immigration system, and also your military academy was another eye-opening opportunity for me, as well as the courthouse. So those were the establishments that I was able to visit while I was here, and they were all very fruitful visits.
When visiting to different places, what was the most thing that captured your eyes?
Yeah. So let's say, for example, at your prison, we have a lot of operations there that I think St. Maarten can do very well with, as well as I think St. Maarten can provide a lot of operations that we do there. And I like the fact that the two directors of these prisons will be communicating with each other even more. They're looking to be able to do that within the kingdom with all their colleagues, to be able to share best practices and how we can improve our operations. I saw a lot of things there. That's when I get back to St. Maarten, myself and the director will have some conversation on, and I look forward to us being able to provide the best and most humane service to those who are considered clients with us.
We saw you went to the base camp too, from the military base. What was the things that you saw that maybe in exchange with St. Maarten?
Well, to begin with, St. Maarten does not have a military base as Aruba and Curacao does. My quest is to be able to have that established in St. Maarten, because I think it's a good opportunity for our youth to have that type of exposure and opportunity, giving them second chances, but also developing a platform that if their environment does not per se is currently leading them in the right direction, that this opportunity will do that. Yeah. One of the highlights of the trip was that with the agency RADEX. They are the software platform that provides the system that the immigration departments work with here. I was able to visit the airport, visit their offices, get demos, but also see it real life. I was able to see how the queues at the airport moves very quickly with RADEX. I was able to see how the system can provide you with certain reports that I think will be helpful for our immigration management in St. Maarten. And it's well known that that is a particular subject matter that I am seeking to manage better than we have been in the last couple of years. So I believe that the RADEX system is something that St. Maarten really needs to invest in. So that is another highlight for me.
Last but not least, what is the message you want to leave over to the island?
Yeah, first and foremost, I want to thank the government of Aruba, as well as my colleague minister, for giving me the opportunity to be here. I'm saying thank you to all the departments that I visited for their hospitality, for their welcome, for their enthusiasm to be able to share how their operations run. I see where we in St. Maarten can make some tweaks and changes to be able to improve the way we do things and the time in which we produce services for the island. So I look forward to getting back to St. Maarten and sitting down with my department heads, sitting down with staff as well, and talking through the way that we are currently doing things and how we can improve that based on what I was exposed to here in Aruba. So congratulations to my colleague, which I did express to him in person as well, as to how well things are going. Nothing is perfect, and we all have areas and means and directions where we can improve, and we'll do that together.